there. But look, at last we pull out the auto rickshaw. We are successfully removed the auto rickshaw. It is very, very good for the drivers. So you are see, guys, one incident is happening. Yes, right. One auto rickshaw is fall down in a beach. It is called Pond Beach. Most of the people in my home try to help out this auto rickshaw. We are trying hard, but it is really, really difficult for us to pull up the auto rickshaw because the auto rickshaw is very, very heavy. And many people tries, even my uncle also tries to pull up this auto rickshaw, but we can't. So that's why we call our neighbors and decide we will first remove the batteries first, because the batteries is the heavier part for this auto. We right now removing the battery parts. Look, one of our cousin try to, and we are also seeing this. Look, it is very difficult for him to pull out this battery, and risks very, very high for his work, but we pull out the battery successfully. So it is very, very important for us help each other. Right now we are trying to pull out the auto rickshaw. Many people are trying, and finally at last the auto will moving little by little. When we see these incidents, we are feel very annoying, very shocked, because it is a village spot. Most of the time, no auto generally move there. But look, at last we pull out the auto rickshaw. We are successfully removed the auto rickshaw. It is very, very good for the drivers, and we are very proud for us because we help the fallen people. If we are not helping each other, then what are we called? We are not called human, because man for man. কি সুন্দর। ওকে পড়িস না। কিসের রেস্টুরেন্ট আছে কিন্তু।